you're looking to restore your interior with the most authentic reproduction, you can count on us. We've been the leader in the industry for dash pads for over 20 years. I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 67 Oldsmobile Cutlass and 442 dash kits. The kits come with the dash pad and glove box door. Our 1964 dash pads feature the correct Seville grain, while 1965 through 67 feature the correct Madrid grains just like the originals. All factory colors are available. Our dash pads are manufactured with a superior quality foam base wrapped with the correct grain, high quality ABS vinyl identical to factory equipment. Each pad features a steel insert to help maintain the correct shape and appearance for years to come. In addition, the dash pads feature the correctly located mounting studs and original style mounting hardware, so these can line up exactly where they need to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.